In this exciting series from Hotel Insider, viewers can expect to discover 7 must-visit activities in the vibrant city of Marseille, France, from exploring ancient ruins and enjoying local cuisine to discovering hidden gems and experiencing authentic culture. Prepare to immerse yourself in the rich history and charm of this Mediterranean gem.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Begin your full-day exploration of the Bandel and Cassis wine regions with an early morning departure from Marseille via the Ginest road towards the coastal town of Cap Canet. This journey will offer breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, culminating in a panoramic vista overlooking the Bay of Cassis and the charming fishing village, renowned for its quaint harbor and secluded coves. As part of this itinerary, visit a local winery in Cassis, where you can sample a variety of wines produced locally. Upon meeting your guide early in the morning by Pointe Rouge Beach, prepare yourself for an engaging small group e-bike adventure towards the picturesque Calanques de Sormieu, within the serene Calanques National Park. Wear a helmet and embrace a state-of-the-art electric mountain bike designed for smooth, enjoyable rides. As we set out on our journey, navigate through the narrow roads of the national park, appreciating the rich ecosystem and historic sites hidden beneath its surface. Our route will lead us to the enchanting paradise of Calanques de Sormieu, renowned for its breathtaking trails offering panoramic views of towering limestone cliffs and the captivating Mediterranean Sea. Embark on an enchanting exploration of the picturesque French countryside, immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of its diverse cities and towns. Start from the historic heart of Marseille, where you'll traverse the charming Vieux-Port and visit the revered Abbey of Saint-Victor. Ascend to the summit of Notre-Dame-de-la-Paix, which offers unparalleled vistas of this vibrant coastal metropolis. Proceed to Cassis, a quaint commune nestled along a scenic route that leads through verdant hills and rugged cliffshare. Marvel at the breathtaking beauty of Calanques, expansive inlets carved by centuries of erosion. Explore the diverse array of Marseille through our comprehensive package, featuring state-of-the-art electric scooters equipped with comprehensive insurance coverage. This innovative transportation solution grants access to the city's most enchanting landscapes, including iconic landmarks such as the Old Port, Panier District, and Canebière. These locations offer insights into Marseille's rich history, from the heart of the city to its charming district. Additionally, visitors may enjoy contemporary attractions like the Museum and the Cosquer Museum for those seeking coastal experiences. The Corniche offers a picturesque route across various neighborhoods, each offering unique charm. This cool French conversation class is designed specifically for individuals seeking to enhance their proficiency in the French language. Whether as a beginner or an advanced learner, be engaging with a seasoned French-speaking instructor, participants can expect a dynamic learning experience delivered in a warm and supportive environment. For beginners, the course will introduce fundamental concepts of the French language through interactive sessions that emphasize practical application and enjoyment. Additionally, insights into Marseille's rich history and cultural nuances will enrich the learning process by providing contextually relevant examples throughout the lessons. The Topstone Neo represents an advanced technological solution designed for comprehensive off-road experiences, boasting a robust capability to endure extended periods of road and/or rough terrain traverses. Specifically, Cannondale asserts its system supports an impressive 70-mile assistance range, contingent upon varying environmental factors such as weather conditions, individual rider weight, and selected power modes. This innovative feature aligns seamlessly with contemporary cycling trends by offering versatile options tailored to diverse riding scenarios. Marseille, a vibrant metropolis steeped in historical significance and cultural heritage, offers an array of attractions for visitors eager to immerse themselves in its rich tapestry. Among these notable landmarks are the Old Port, La Major Cathedral, the Vallon des Sceaux, the Museum, and Notre-Dame-de-la-Paix. Embark upon a memorable journey through Marseille's illustrious past with our state-of-the-art panoramic buses, which provide an unparalleled perspective on the city's historic core and essential destinations.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.